Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Rafif Farraas, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY disinfectant. But before that, I'm going to tell you about the disinfectant. Disinfectants are antimicrobial agents. It used to kill bad microorganisms such as viruses and bacteria and also germs. Okay, now let's start making our own DIY disinfectant. The materials that we need are a spray, and then a scoop, and then 1 liter of water, and then one plastic tablespoon, and the last, mop soap. The first step: fill the scoop with 1 liter of water. Next, put 10 tablespoons of mop soap into the scoop. Then stir it smoothly. After that, put it in the spray. There we go. How to use it? The disinfectant liquid is to spray the disinfectant liquid into the door handles or chairs or tables or other things. Then wait until 5 minutes. After that, wipe clean. Okay, so that is my tutorial about DIY disinfectant, and this is my liquid disinfectant. So how about yours? Syukran, wajazaakumullahu khairan. Barakallahu fiikum. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.